Some of you may have studied Michael Beckwith's program at Mindvalley, and you would have noticed that Michael Beckwith has his own 4 levels of awakening. I want to simply explain how my 4 levels and Michael Beckwith's 4 levels actually are deeply related. In fact, I developed my 4 levels after a phone call with Michael Beckwith. So level 1 and level 2 for both me and Michael Beckwith's models are exactly the same. Michael Beckwith says level 1 is the victim stage, and level 2 is the manifestor stage. He says it is at level 2 that you start using the tools of mind power. You start making something happen, pushing for something to happen. Level 1, he says, is when the world happens to me. Level 2 is when the world happens from me. And level 3 is when the world happens through me. Level 2, he says, is masculine. It's about striving. It's about pushing. Level 3, he says, is feminine. It's about yielding, surrendering, allowing, making something welcome in your life. So level 1 and level 2 of both models are exactly the same. Michael Beckwith's level 3, though, is my level 3 and my level 4. I simply took his level 3 and I broke it into 2 different divisions. First, the act of finding that inner state, and 4, being able to use these powers to shift the world. I wanted to create a nuance in Beckwith's level 3. Now, Beckwith does talk about a level 4. Beckwith's level 4 actually corresponds to a level 5 in my diagram, but I don't discuss it much because I feel we don't yet have enough information on this level to speak about it in deep detail. But this is what Beckwith says about what he calls his level 4, or what would be level 5 in my diagram. In this level, you're operating as if the universe and you are one. You've gone from to me, to from me, to true me, to am me. This is where there is no separation. In some of my work, I call this the God mind, the idea that you and the universe are one. This is the level that the great sages and saints of the world, from Jesus to Padmasambhava to Paramahansa Yogananda, operated at, a pure unity with the universe, and they had near God-like powers to shift the world around them. But because so few people get to this level, it's still not truly understood. So now you understand how both Beckwith's work and my work interrelate. Remember, level 1 and 2 are exactly the same in both models. Beckwith's level 3 is my level 3 and 4, and Beckwith's level 4 is what I don't talk about. But if I did, I sometimes talk about it as level 5 or the God mind. That's a little nuance. You don't have to fully memorize all of that. Simply understanding my model will be enough for you to get the most out of this program.